So if you're like me and you find Halloween candy especially frightening, here's some tips for making it a little less scary this year. First of all, you don't have to give away candy. If it's too much temptation for you, buy some little stickers or some washable tattoos, give away packages of bubbles or little trinkets that kids will enjoy. Another thing that you can do if you really want to give away candy is wait until the last minute to buy it, instead of buying it 2 weeks ahead of time and then having to buy more and then having to buy more. If you buy it at the last minute, it won't be around to tempt you. Another way to ease temptation is to buy candy that you're not particularly fond of. Choose hard lollipops or gum or things that you know won't call to you from the kitchen cabinet. Also, make sure to get rid of all of the candy when the trick-or-treaters have gone. We tend to get a bit more generous as we get toward later in the evening and we know that there are going to be fewer trick-or-treaters. Any leftover candy gets sent to my husband's office the very next day, so there's nothing around to tempt us. And speaking of temptations, avoid the candy aisles at all costs the day or two after Halloween when candy is on sale for 50% or 75% off. Those days are really spooky for those of us who like to save money. I hope these tips can make your Halloween a whole lot less frightening. Did you hear that? It sounds like there's some noise in the cabinet.